Situated within South Ajax's waterfront community of Discovery Bay and an impressive 4+1 bedroom executive home nestled on a premium-sized property backing onto conservation lands, welcome to 241 Lake Driveway West. More than ample driveway parking complements the double-car garage, while an interlocking walkway leads to an enclosed front entrance. And beyond the entry door is an incredibly spacious, light-filled main level with generously sized principal rooms that exude elegance. Hardwood flooring flows throughout this level, its warm, rich hue set against a neutral color palette and crisp white trims, and to the left of the foyer are the formal entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms. Fully open to each other, the dining room is illuminated by a modern lantern-style chandelier, and natural light floods into these spaces through west and east-facing windows, both which have California shutters. The west-facing family room overlooks the backyard and also has direct access to it through a sliding door walkout. While adding coziness to this warm and inviting entertaining space is a gas fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling brick mantel finished with a wood shelf. The adjacent custom kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful, with this meal prep area showcasing stone counters with a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink, glass and stone mosaic tiled backsplashes, stainless steel appliances including a built-in dishwasher and microwave, an oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a side-by-side fridge freezer, as well as gorgeous cabinetry with ample storage. Direct access to the formal dining room is an entertaining convenience, while the kitchen's breakfast area has the illumination of a modern wagon wheel chandelier complementing the natural light streaming through its sliding door walkout to the backyard and its two windows, both complete with light diffusing blinds and offering amazing views of the forested landscape. No neighbors on its tree-lined north and west sides gives this home wonderful privacy, and being well set back from the street, the home also has exceptional frontage, as well as a massive backyard that is a dream summertime oasis. The main level also features a laundry room with a tiled floor, a door to the north side yard, access to the garage, a modern laundry sink, cabinetry storage, as well as a front-load washer and dryer, a powder room with pedestal sink, and a double coat closet in the foyer. While curving gracefully to the upper level is a gorgeous hardwood staircase. Its hardwood and wrought iron railing continued along the upper hallway. This level also features hardwood flooring throughout, a double linen closet off the upper landing, large windows in all the rooms allowing for an abundance of natural lighting, as well as a stunning chandelier above the staircase. The bedrooms are quite spacious as well, with both the second and third bedrooms enjoying east-facing exposures, and sharing between them the four-piece common-use washroom, which also has an east-facing exposure and features a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basin. In addition, the third bedroom has a walk-in closet, a ceiling fan, and a bay window for maximum natural brightness, and a double closet provides plenty of storage for the second bedroom. A double-door entry opens into the master suite, which has a large sitting area with a double closet separate from the bedroom, and which can be converted back into a bedroom if family needs require so. The master bedroom itself has a lovely light-washed sitting area by the three oversized windows that overlook the home's backyard and the forest beyond, with this relaxing personal haven also featuring a walk-in closet and a luxuriously appointed ensuite washroom. This spa-like space showcases polished stone tiles throughout, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower, a separate shower area with a glass door and mosaic tiled floor and accent wall border, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins. Its two corner windows have frosted glass inserts for privacy, while the windows in the bedroom and its adjacent sitting room are complete with California shutters. To the lower level is a carpeted staircase, and off the lower landing is a two-piece washroom with a tiled floor and a Euro-style space-saving vanity. This level also features a cold room, a large storage room, as well as a bonus room with a French door entry and laminate flooring that can be converted into another household bedroom. The huge recreation area showcases laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, and also features a gas fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling stone mantel and wood beam shelf, a wet bar with a stone accent wall, contemporary cabinetry, and a stone counter, as well as a distinct space with built-in bookcases and wall shelves that is ideal as a play, reading, or exercise area. During the summer months, the backyard transforms into an amazing oasis that showcases a large wood deck and a huge patio area, an outdoor bar with cable connection for a TV, and a massive L-shaped in-ground pool. While a backyard gate provides access to breathtaking conservation lands with a lush forest filled with deer and other wildlife, the Trans-Canada Trail, ponds, and the flowing waters of Duffins Creek. Walking distance to Lakeside Public School, its adjacent park, as well as to local shops and services. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. And Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also within walking distance. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.